Joe Montino Kanake To Germakione Oriru Ide to muere Uo Arata Aito Area Age Teremue Matomenaga No Tesoda Getekera So take your tenne Ooh yeah Na 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 Yeah ooh Tesomo Dara power Eune dei Hikere Wadani wa Onaike magotia Oh
Mikono juu! Mikono juu! Mikono juu! Mikono juu!
Wewa kweye Ukapati Nane narata Koromage Arata Aqua Madiga Joragera Ohariwe Madena Modeona Moka Netemo Mageria Todo Romera Wewa Kwere Ukapati Nane narata Koromagerewe.
God bless you so much.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much. Tunaweza keti. Thank you so much. And because I know every one of us have got something to say, ningeomba wale ambao nitawaita, tafadhali we try to summarize kwa sababu naona thank you so much Rev. Tulie tu kidogo tu hivyo kwa sababu Joe is a champ, is a legend. Kwa hivyo wale ambao nitawaita kwenye tribute, tafadhali ningewaomba kwa heshima kuu, tafadhali tuweze kuongea kwa machache so that we can continue with the rest of the program. I want now to call the aunties, and I want to call Auntie Ruth, who will represent all the aunties. Auntie Ruth, who will represent all the aunties. Tupigie Auntie Ruth makofi tafadhali. Thank you.
Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. You look beautiful from up here. Hallelujah. See to smile kidogo. We are celebrating our son. All right. My name is Ruth Ndongo. I am the mother to the modulo that was here. Me and Wangare, we are sisters. We were never in-laws. We just became sisters from the word go. And a lot has been said, and a lot we have said, we have seen, we have heard. But there is one thing I want to remind us all, that Joe has lived his 70 plus that we are given by the Lord. All these things we are hearing from the young to the old, if we sit down, and I remember one of our friends told us, she went to a funeral of an 82-year-old, and there was no tribute. Here we are squeezing time so that everyone can be able to get a chance. So I am just amazed by the way the Lord just picked his own. He plucked his own because he knew that Joe has finished his journey. So it's upon every one of us to know that now it's me to continue with my journey. And as I said on Wednesday, one day someone will stand in a place like this. What will they say about me? And what is the Lord looking up there? Thinking, am I ready to pluck Ruth? Amemaliza kazi yake. Not to say that I am not going to live my 80 plus years. I remember Just to say a little thing, we've seen on social media, everywhere saying, most saying, Wangare is not ready. Wangare is in denial. No, the family is not in denial. Neither is Wangare in denial that Joe is gone. Our past few days, we were in a time of prayer with Wangare, and we were praying for our sons, the Modulos. Little did we know that the Lord was preparing us for something. It was God calling us for a time of prayer. We went for a time of prayer and fasting for some few days. And I remember at some point we said, our mothers are lovely. And our mothers, when we have problems, Mom, niko na shida. Ni sort, I will pray for you. And I rest. And we're asking ourselves, if our children called us, Mom, niko na shida, will they rest? Knowing that me as the mother, I'm going to stand on that gap. And we took it upon ourselves. And we were saying this year we have to see some changes. Yes, we have seen some changes. Already we have seen some changes. And we are not in denial. We just thank God. Whatever has happened, we are okay with it. The Lord had prepared this journey for us. It's not an easy journey, but the Lord had already foreseen our hearts and knew how we can be able to handle this is by calling us back. First, prepare us to enter in that time of prayer and prepare our hearts. So we are not in denial. That is all I want to say. We have accepted what the Lord has done. And we are glad that Joe, we have heard from the peers that he was having a personal relationship with God. And for that, it is enough for us. We know that he's rested with the Lord. May the Lord bless us.
Thank you, Auntie Ruth. Tumpigie makofi. Thank you so much. We have tribute from brothers. And I will call Jeremy on behalf of the brothers. Jeremy, where are you? Jeremy, umeenda wapi? Aha. Ndio huyo anakuja. Good. Tupigie Jeremy makofi tafadhali. Very nice, very nice. Huyu ni kama hata anahitaji bodyguard. Umeona? Haya, sawa. You have something to say?
Hi, my name is Jeremy. We loved Joe. We played with him and had so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jeremy. Those are the memories that Jeremy can contribute na amemaliza. Jeremy akona flight ya 3 na anaona kama tunaweza muweka sana. Pole sana mkubwa. Pole. I want to call Shosho Recho akona tribute na itasomwa na Grace Njeri. Asanti. Kwa hivyo tupigie Njeri makofi. We have been with Njeri and the team since day 1 kwa committee. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. I'll read Mom's tribute. My dear grandson Joe, you were my very first grandson, and I remember holding you for the very first time and how happy I was. I have watched you grow into a young leader of strength and wisdom. On the day you became a young man, I could see the change in your eyes and in your ways. I loved your vision and dreamed to become a pilot and airport controller, and we had great plans for your 18th birthday, which was not meant to be. You brought happiness and hope for the future. May the good Lord who allowed all peace.
Asante sana. We have a tribute from Dad. I don't know where he is or the person reading the tribute from Dad.